Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to open PDF in Google Docs or how to make the PDF editable in Google Docs. So, guys, I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So, let's start with the video. Let's go on my Google Docs. So, guys, here I'm on my Gmail. So, I'm going to show you from initial. So, first you have to log in with your Gmail account. Then click here and go to the drive. So Google Docs and all your file like Google Sheet are saved in your Google Docs or Google Drive only. So just open the Google Drive here and find the PDF file if you have already PDF file uploaded in your Google Drive, or you can search PDF like this. You go to search and click on PDF, then all PDF will be look like this, or you can upload new PDF. So from here go to the file upload and just find out PDF where you have saved in your computer. So I have one PDF here, so I just select and open it. So it will be upload here. Now just refresh, and if you and go to the recent file, recent tab, here you can see the your uploaded PDF. Now just click and open it, and it will be open like this. Now here you can see there is an option called open with. So this is option you can open with. You will have some application that you can open with your current file. Click here and just go to the Google Docs. So this PDF file will be open in Google Docs. It will be takes few seconds to convert in Docs. So here you can see this file has been converted in Docs. Now you can edit whatever you want. You can rename the this file name. Okay, you can share from here. You can also save this PDF again after you make changes. Save, go to the download and download as a PDF. So it will be downloaded as a PDF, then come to Google Drive again and you can upload again PDF which is you have downloaded it recently. So you can go to the file upload and down upload this recently updated file. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.